hands-on brings it all together. It brings a reality to the theory, but without the base of theory, there'd be no guidance on the hands-on therapy. And I think that it was beyond my expectations, and I was really pleased with how well organized it was and how informative and helpful. It was beyond what I thought it would be, for sure.
I just feel like I've learned a ton that I didn't know. You know, it was new to all of this was new to me, and I feel pretty confident that with a little more practice, you know, I will be successful.
I think you should definitely do it. Like I said, it's very well, planned out. It's very well presented. You do gain a lot of experience. I think you feel really good afterwards.
It's been amazing. I really enjoyed the class. It's better than I expected, and it was just great to have both lecture and hands-on, which I really liked.
Yesterday, the whole day to me was very, very impressive because he covers a lot of the basics, the things you need to know before you start injecting. Even though I have injected before, so I was missing those aspects.